Hey there, friends! Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us face: how to clean white shoes. Don't worry, I've got some handy tips for you that will have your sneakers looking as good as new in no time. First up, let's address the yellowed soles. Grab a magic eraser. A popular remedy is to use toothpaste and an old toothbrush vinegar. Remember, lemon apply some toothpaste to the brush. Patience is key with this method. Don't be too aggressive, or you might damage the material. Next, let's tackle those stubborn black marks on your shoes. Try using an all-white laundry detergent with water and a brush, and gently scrub the affected areas until the marks are gone. And dry your shoes thoroughly afterward to avoid any residue. Just remember to rinse. Now, if your shoes are extra dirty or even faded, rub the mixture onto your shoes and gently rub the affected areas until the yellow stains disappear. And let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off with water. Once they're dry, you should have a pair of pristine white sneakers that will turn heads. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial on how to clean white sneakers. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful hacks and advice. Until next time.